Hi guys, Zumba with Jane. I have here my mini HS190 made by Holy Stone mini drone. You never flew a drone before. This might be perfect also for you because it's perfect for me. As a beginner, it's a little intimidating maybe, but this guy right here makes my life easier to fly a drone. Turn on and off button facing outward. That's going to be your front view. Power button on the control. Inward both. Wait until it blinks, stop blinking. Outward both. Wait until stop blinking. And here you go. You're ready to roll. Fly your mini drone. I started here inside of my house. I'll make sure that I know how to do it outside. I have a mini backyard. Remote control is so pretty, much easy to use. Left and right, which is make it left, make it right. And it's so cute. It's advisable for 14 years old and above, but with your supervision, I have my 11-year-old. He flew this guy right here, and he did great. See, it's so easy to use, actually. It's fun, and it's not intimidating. The lights, it's so cool. Here you go. So amazing to use with your family and friends. It's a great bonding for your kids as well. The light is amazing. Very light. And you wouldn't be afraid to use this. Left for left. Just the arrow. It's a ball that you could actually make around 360 degrees. And read the manual. It'll help you a lot. Get this guy. Mini HS190.